Haley's Magical School of Dolls and Toys.
Hi Anna, how are you today? You're looking pretty in that red and white polka dot dress. Thank you Bella. You're looking lovely too. I like your dress. Thank you Anna. It's so nice to see you after such a long time. Hi Jane, I'm so happy to be sitting next to you today. Hey Elsa, me too. I wonder what we are going to learn today. Yeah, I wonder too. I'm sure it will be interesting though.
Hi, dolls and toys. How are you doing today?
We're doing good, teacher. So nice to see you after a long time.
How was your summer break?
It was great, teacher. We went on vacation. Teacher, are you twinning with me?
Oh yeah, I see. We're twinning.
What are we gonna learn today, teacher?
Today we are going to learn the letter E. E says A. But first, let me take attendance.
Wow, it's a rainbow unicorn book.
Jane Oxlam,
Present, teacher.
Bella Cordis,
I'm present.
Elsa Lynn,
Present, teacher.
Anna Lynn.
I'm here.
Oh, it says Olaf here. Olaf's last name must be Olaf. Olaf.
I am here.
Okay, Olaf, you don't have to be scary.
Teacher, you didn't say Xander. Where is he?
Xander went on an important mission, so he's back at Mars right now. But it's only for a little bit.
Teacher, why does Xander not have a last name?
Because he's from Mars. And Transformers from Mars don't have a last name.
Alright.
Now, let's start learning. Do you all know a word starting in E? It should start with the air sound.
Yes, of course, teacher. My name, Elsa.
Elsa, that's correct. But you need to raise your hand. And that goes for everyone. Yes, Bella?
Elephant.
That's right, Bella. I have a surprise for y'all. It's Ellie the elephant.
Can we see her, teacher?
I'll use my magic to get her here. This is Ellie, guys.
Oh, wow! He's so cozy. I'm gonna stay here all day.
Anna, get back to your place.
Okay. Does he talk?
No, he's not alive like y'all.
Can you make him alive? All you have to do is use your pixie dust.
No, please, you're enough of trouble.
What? I'm such a good little snowman.
I'll just keep her here for now. Yes, Jane, tell me.
Teacher, elegant. Like you, you're looking elegant. I know a word. Energy. Because I'm always full of energy.
Olaf, raise your hand and I have to pick you.
All right.
Yes, Anna?
Teacher, Arendelle. Like where we live.
Good job, Anna. But Arendelle starts with Arendelle. Even though it sounds like Arendelle, it's but good try. Anna, that was a good effort.
Teacher, egg.
Oh yeah, egg.
Egg? What's an egg?
You don't know what's an egg? I'll show you. Wait, I'll get one from my fridge. Oh no, I can't go there. My mom will see me. She'll wonder why I'm dressed up. Let me think. I can use my pixie dust. Pixie dust, come into my hands. I separated my pixie dust into different colors. Like this. Let me get my pink pixie dust. Look, Bella, this is an egg.
Oh, wow. This looks like a ball. Can we play with it?
No, it's very delicate. It will break.
Wait, let me have a closer look too. Teacher, what's that brown mark on it?
That looks like chicken poop.
Ew, disgusting. I can't believe I touched that. Don't overreact. You can just wash your hands.
Wait a minute, my mom's calling me. Be right back. Don't touch the egg.
Okay. Let me have a look. What would happen if I just sit on it? Olaf, Haley said not to touch it. Yeah, I'll be careful. Olaf, don't do it. Olaf, please come back. Olaf, stop it. You're gonna get all of us in trouble. Oh, relax. Don't be so scared. Woohoo! Look, I'm sitting on top of the egg. Look, I'm jumping on the egg too. Oh my God, Olaf, you cracked the egg. Oh no! I think I had too much energy. I cracked the egg. Oopsie! Ew, it feels all gooey. Somebody do something. Get me out of here, I'm stuck. Olaf, oh no, what have you done? Actually, it feels like slime. Look. Wow, this feels good. Let me have some fun before Haley gets back and kills me.
I'm already back, Olaf. What did you do this time?
Oh, she's back. Let me just hide. I'll go inside the egg.
Olaf, my mother's going to kill me when she sees this. Get out of there now. Let me wash you.
Sorry, teacher.
Stay in this cup of water now as your punishment.
Oh no, the water's too cold and I can't breathe.
Now you go to the detention room along with this water. Anyone else wants to go into detention, Bella?
No, teacher. I didn't do anything. It was just Olaf. I'll just go back to my place now.
What a mess! Oh, this feels like slime. Yeah. I'll use my pixie dust to cook this. For all of you. Olaf, you get nothing but staying in water. Come, let's dig in.
Yay, yummy! Hope you remember to wash it. It tastes good. Can I taste too?
Sure, Bella. All of you can taste.
No thanks. I don't eat egg. I want some. That tastes yummy. Olaf, you're missing out big time. Hey, teacher, look what's happening to Ellie.
Oh my god, I think I dropped some pixie dust on her. She's alive! Oh my god, I need a counter spell. Pink Fairy, please help me with the counter spell. A few moments later. Ellie? Oh, the counter spell worked! Yay! Pink Fairy, thank you for your effort. Effort. Okay, my dolls and toys. This is the end of the class. End.
Bye, teacher. Thank you.
Olaf, you can come out now. If you liked my video, share, like and subscribe. Bye for now. The next video is story time. So,
Don't forget to subscribe.